Thanks to everyone for your support. And today I will go for 2019 ICSE computer application question paper. Okay. So all of you study well, prepare well. You have lot of capabilities. You can score full marks in computer. It is a very scoring subject and every step there is marking in programs. So once you build your confidence, it will help you a lot. So for that you have to practice the programs. Okay, so whatever doubts you are having, you ask me anytime, send me comments. Okay, I will upload videos for all the doubts. I am always ready to help you. You should know how to take help. Okay, so let us start. First question. Name any two basic principles of object-oriented programming. Here answers are also given. This I have opened from the website. Encapsulation and inheritance. Apart from this, you can write other features also like polymorphism, data abstraction. Okay. Write a difference between unary and binary operator. Unary means which contains a single operand. Binary which contains two operands. Name the keyword which indicates that a method has no return type, that is void, makes the variable as a class variable static. So this explanation I have given you in the video types of variables. So that is very important. Write the memory capacity of sort and float data type in bytes. So sort is 2 bytes and float is 4 bytes. Okay, int is also 4 bytes. Double and long are 8 bytes. Identify and name the following tokens. Public keyword है A written with single inverted commas, literal. Okay, which literal? You can specify it also, character literal. Double equal to relational operator. Only operator will not do. Okay, so I am suggesting you not to study answers from these. Okay, they are not writing appropriate answers. So it should be relational operator, and this one is okay, separator. This answer is correct. Curly brackets are separators. Differentiate between if, else, if and switch case. So just define them and write their syntax. That is enough. If, else, if contains multiple conditions. Okay. If one condition is false, then the computer checks another condition, and if all the conditions are false, then else executes. And switch case is a multiple branching statement which can contain any number of cases along with a default case. Fine. And all the cases end with a break statement. If the break statement is missing, the switch case encounters fall through in its body. And then write the syntax of if, else and switch case. Next one, give the output of the following code. P equals to 20, Q equals to 19 in string form. So integer dot parseInt P, उसको integer में convert कर देगा. Integer dot value of Q, value of will also convert to integer. Then A plus double inverted commas plus B. अब देखो here double inverted commas is there, so it will not allow you to add 20 and 19. It will not become 39. It will become 2019, means you can say 2019. Like this it will appear. ऐसे आएगा. Next. What are the various types of errors in Java? Very simple: syntax, runtime and logical error. State the data type and value of arrays after the following is executed. So char ch equal to 9, character dot each digit ch. तो ये क्या करेगा? It will only check. So the answer is true. Each digit is used to check digits only. So output is true and the data type is boolean. What is the difference between linear search and binary search? You can define linear search is a sequential search in which all the elements of the array are compared with the search element. An appropriate message is displayed, while binary search divides the arrays into two parts. Okay, and it searches the element in either in the first half or in the second half of the array by comparing with the middle element. Linear search is a bit slow process because it compares with all the elements, and binary search is a fast process. Another difference, linear search can work on sorted as well as unsorted elements, but binary search can work only on sorted elements. Linear search is slow, binary search is fast. Write a Java expression for the following. So what is this sign mod? You will write math.abs or x square x into x plus 2 into x into y. Write the return type of the following function. It starts with an random. Starts with का क्या होगा? Boolean, because it returns true or false, and random returns double because it is always 0 point something. If the value of basic is equal to 1500, what will be the value of tax after the following statement is executed? So 1500 more than 1200, true. So 200 will be the value of tax. Okay, because the condition is true, so expression 1 will execute. Give the output of following code and mention how many times the loop will execute. How many times also you have to tell. So you count the number of times. Let me write this for you. 5 more than or equal to 1, true. Then I modulus 2, 5 modulus 2 is equal to 1, true. So continue will run. तो कंटिन्यू रन करने से क्या होगा? फ्रॉम हियर ओनली इट विल गो टू नेक्स्ट आइट्रेशन. आई माइनस माइनस 4, देन 4 मॉड्यूलस 2 फॉल्स, देन प्रिंट आई, सो 4 विल गेट प्रिंटेड. ओके, देन आई माइनस माइनस 3 मॉड्यूलस 2 ट्रू, देन कंटिन्यू विल रन, देन आई माइनस माइनस 2 मॉड्यूलस 2 फॉल्स, then 2 will be printed in the same line because it is not println nahi hai, it is print only. Then I minus 1 modulus 2 equals to 1, true. Then I minus 0, loop is false. ठीक है, तो 0 पे false हो रहा है. तो देखो 5 4 3 2 1 5 times and output is 4 and 2. So like this it will print 4 and 2, number of times 5 times. State the difference between call by value and call by reference. See, in call by value process, the function is called by passing the values of actual parameters to formal parameters. And in call by reference, the function is called by passing the reference of actual parameters to formal parameters. Okay. In call by value process, the changes made in the formal parameters does not affect the actual parameters. But in call by reference, the changes made in the formal parameters are automatically reflected back to the actual parameters. Next one, give the output of the following. Math.square root, math.max 9,16. So max is 16, then square root of 16, but don't write 4.0. Write the output of the following. S1 equals to Phoenix, S2 equal to Island. Then S1 dot substring 0 dot concat S2 dot substring 2. Okay, so S1 dot substring 0 मतलब वो पूरा string आ जाएगा Phoenix. और S2 dot substring 2 means 0 1 2 from L means land, so Phoenix land without any space in between, and S2 dot 2 uppercase, so S2 is island, so island will get converted to capital letter. देखो Phoenix land and island in capital letter. Evaluate the following expression if x is 2, y is 3 and z is 1. So calculate it. X 2, so x will remain 2 only, minus z will become 0, y plus y will remain 3, but in plus y it will become 4. So all will be added, it will become 9. Answer is correct. Next one. X equal to artificial intelligence, IoT, machine learning, big data. System.out.println x at 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3. First answer is big data. System.out.println x.length. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is the length. Okay. What is meant by package? Give an example. Package is a collection of classes. Example, java.util, java.io, java.lang, the three common packages which you are using in all the programs. Okay, now coming to programming section. Define a class showroom with the following specifications: name, mobile number, cost, discount, amount. These are the variables. This is the 2019 question paper. You can see from the question paper also. Then member methods. First one, constructor to initialize the member variables with default value. Void input, enter name, mobile number and cost. Void calculate the discount on the cost of purchased items based on the following criteria. Criteria is like this: up to 10,000 5%, more than 10,000 up to 20,000 10%, more than 20,000 and up to 35,000 15%, and more than 35,000 20%. So it is a very simple program. Then void display the customer name, mobile number, amount to be paid after discount, and see at last it is written. Whether it is written or not, you have to write the main method. Write the main method to create the object of the class and call the above member methods. If you don't write this, you will be deducted 2 marks in the board exam for not writing the main method. Okay, and 2 marks will be there for variable description in all the programs. So even if your program is 100% correct and you are not writing the variable description, then also you will get 13 only. Okay, sometimes exception is there. Council considers some of the programs without variable description also. So but that you cannot take guarantee in the beginning only which program will be considered. I can give you a hint. This class and object program will be considered without variable description also. And one more type of program is considered without variable description, that is function overloading. But don't start experimenting it in the exam, okay? Just I am telling you. By mistake, if you leave the variable description in this class and object program and function overloading, there you may get maximum possibility is there of getting the marks of variable descriptions. But in other programs you will not get, that is sure. See, all the variables are there: string name, mobile number, cost, discount, amount. Then we have your constructor showroom, name equals to double quotes because it is string, rest all variables you initialize with 0. You can add 0.0 also if the data type is double, or otherwise 0 is also acceptable. Then void input, declare scanner, enter the name, customer, mobile number and cost. Okay? Then go to calculate. It is very simple. If cost is less than or equal to 10,000, here itself you can calculate. They have stored the discount percent and divided at the end. That is also okay. So discount percent equals to 5. Else if cost is less than or equals to 20,000, it's better that you write in this way. Okay, else if cost is more than 10,000 and cost less than or equal to 20,000. Like this you write the condition. Then discount percent 10. Then here also cost more than 20,000 and less than or equals to 35,000. Then discount 15, and last one only else is enough, discount 20. Then cost into discount percent by 100.0. Okay, here see they have to take one variable also, this percent they have taken on their own. So if you directly write the calculation over here, then it is not required only. We are already having one member variable, this, for storing the discount. So directly we can store, children. See, no need to follow this method. I am cutting this line. Here itself this line I will remove. I will write this equal to, what is the discount percent? 5%. So how to calculate? Cost into 5 divided by 100.0. Like this you write in all. Cost, this equals to cost into 10 by 100.0. This equals to cost into 15 by 100.0. And this equals to cost into 20 by 100.0. And then subtract the discount from the cost. Like this. Okay. And after that, in the display function, you just have to do the printing work, whatever inputs are there and whatever calculation you have to done. Means whatever amount you have found, you have to print that. Customer's name, mobile number and amount after discount. Then public static void main, it is not compulsory to write string arg. Showroom obj equal to new showroom, obj dot input, obj dot calculate, obj dot display. So like this the program will be solved. I hope you have understood. Second question, using switch case statement, write a menu driven program to do the following. To generate and print letters from A to Z and their Unicode. Unicode means ASCII code. Okay. And display the following pattern. The simplest pattern 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But you have to use switch case. So from this question we will discuss in the next video. This much you do. Okay. Thank you.